For many years, the applications that we did were based off old technology, chain-driven drives, camshafts. They were the same every time, every machine. Customers would bring different formats and require different product sizes.
Bartelt, first and foremost, we do poachers. We've been doing this since 1949, and we've improved the product, going from cycle shaft driven all the way up to a linear track machine. What makes us stand out today is we have a MAG Series, which has a linear track on it, and we do it in different configurations. We do it in a ring configuration, a racetrack configuration, and we do it in short and long distance configurations. The challenges that we faced in designing the system was really determining which linear track was the best suited for our machines, which technology was at the forefront, which in this case was the Beckhoff linear track technology, because of the different variants that Beckhoff offers. They sent tracks to us that we were able to test both in powders and at washdown environments. We were able to use those tracks, run them through their paces, and we found some problems. We sent those problems back to Beckhoff. They made the changes that we asked. We brought that track back here and did the same test, and this time it passed.
One of the advantages that we found with the Beckhoff XTS product is the broad portfolio of solutions that are offered within the XTS product itself. In the MAG series, we utilize the XTS magnetic track technology for the bag grippers that hold the pouches. We use the magnetic track to move the pouches through the machine. It's fully configurable to the product application, so we can run one pouch at a time, two pouches at a time, three pouches at a time to provide our customer with more flexibility in their output and their application requirements.
It's a smaller platform, so the form factor fits into the machinery really well and allowed us to essentially create a smaller footprint and still provide all this functionality in terms of motion. We can just drop a track into place, and then the fixed positions where the equipment goes on that track, we can adjust the positions of the movers on the track to then align with them. So it's a much easier, much quicker implementation, and the XTS allows us to reposition those stations automatically, allows for rapid changeover on the machine. So now an operator can hit a button, all the movers move into position wherever they may be for that product, and we can change that on the fly.
We're able to do things that others can't do. We can go from indexing motion to continuous motion. We're able to do different profiles from point A to point B. We're also able to quickly do changeovers.
We push the limits of technology by providing our customers with a highly flexible, highly intuitive, and very repeatable solution. Our machinery can support all three within one platform, enabling our customers not to have multiple machines. They just have one machine for their packaging needs in the pouch packaging markets. With the MAG product, one of the things that I really enjoy is the fact that we can satisfy a customer's specific application with a piece of machinery, yet maintain the flexibility to foresee and prepare for future needs within the same applications.
The vision that Beckhoff has is the same vision that Bartelt has, which is pushing the envelope of linear tracks and the capabilities. Bartelt very much listens to customers, and we do customize our equipment to customer needs and so forth, and we listen to feedback on how we can improve our machines, and I feel like we do that very much, and that's the heart of our designs, all of our designs.